How to get Fishdom Lives. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to get Fishdom Lives. Getting Fishdom Lives is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Wait for lives to refill. Lives refill over time automatically. It typically takes 30 minutes to regenerate one life, up to a maximum of 5 lives. Watch ad. Occasionally, Fishdom offers free life in exchange for watching short ads. Look for these opportunities in the game. Participate in events. Special events and tournaments often reward players with free lives. Check the event tab regularly for chance to earn lives. Purchase lives. Use the in-game currency coin or diamond to buy additional lives if needed. Coins earned by playing levels and completing tasks. Diamonds earned by completing achievement or purchasing with real money. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can get Fishdom Lives. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.